length adjusting layup wheel produces a lay of material with all the layers the same length. The first part of the video shows testing in the shop. We're now ready to set up a new lay. The new lay length is selected. 168 inches is inputted. Then the reset button is pushed. The wheel automatically resizes itself from the last run, which was 300 inches, to the new run of 168 inches. The central sprocket brings all of the arms in or out at the same speed on this machine. 300 inches is the maximum for this design. 150 inches is the minimum for this design. Machines can be designed for any lay length. When it approaches the right dimension, it slows down and creeps to the stop point. It automatically stops. We have now set the new size. We set the material thickness at 7 mils, and the number of plies we will put to 20. We have now set the plies to 20. The lay length to 168. There have no plies completed on this run. Material thickness is set at 7 mils. We will now attach the material to the unwind clamps. It will now wind up 20 plies of this material. It could just as easily wind up 300 plies. The drag brake keeps it from overrunning and keeps a light tension on the material. It is now slowed down and stopped. We have our 20 plies. This part of the video shows the wheel in operation at a customer's plant. The material is a plastic film with a non-woven laminate in the center. The thickness variation causes wrinkles to show on winding, but they pull out when the material is transferred to the cutting table. The use of 2 unwinds allows face-to-face or back-to-back lays to be made. As each layer is added, the arms retract by the thickness of the material. Slack develops between the arms, making all the plies the same length. The slack between the arms becomes apparent. The material is then cut off the wheel with a guided cutting knife, the same as used as on the cutting table. A clamp bar is attached to the material and the air table is turned on, allowing the operators to move material onto the table. As you can see, the end cut is square, and the operators measure the length to check against the wheel settings. The other end is also square. All of the ply lengths are the same.